Chill Eats City Vibes. Welcome to Best of Singapore. I'm Holly, and I will exploring the chillest cafe and desserts in Singapore while giving you a taste of Singapore city vibes. Let's get started now. Hi, I'm back. Today I'm going to eat what is said to be the best gelato in Singapore, and this is my guest, friend Zhang Qi. Okay, so see you there. In Haji Line near Bugis, it takes about 5 minutes on foot to reach Birds of Paradise. The store has a modern style and is very suitable for taking photos. The flavors recommended by shop assistant include white chrysanthemum, lychee raspberry, and sea salt hojicha. After several testing, I choose strawberry basil and mint chocolate. The price is positioned in the middle to high-end range, with cup sizes ranging from $5.5 to $10, and the corn sizes from $6.8 to $11.3. The clerk scoops up 2 very large bowls of gelato. The sweet and sour freshness of the strawberries combined with the herbaceous aroma of the basil is unexpectedly harmonious. I can taste the strawberries pops in it, perfect for those who like fruity flavors but don't want it to be too sweet. The mint chocolate that took me by surprise. Unlike other mint chocolates that taste like toothpaste, they're infused with real mint leaves for a natural flavor that is refreshing and not irritating. And I could eat the chocolate chips, slightly bitter, which goes well with the cool mint. The waffle corn is roasted in-house and flavored with thyme, and you can watch it being made on site. This local trendy gelato brand in Singapore has been inducted into Michelin Plan since 2018 and is the only ice cream specialty shop on the island to receive this award. Their philosophy is to use natural, plant-based, real ingredients and reject any artificial flavors and colors. Overall, Birds of Paradise is a shop where you can enjoy plant-based, highly textured handmade gelato that is also photo-friendly. If you like natural, subtle, and layered gelato flavors with unique thyme waffle corn, this place is definitely worth trying. When you step out the Birds of Paradise, why not turn the corner and take a stroll down Haji Line? This is one of the most literary streets in Singapore, lined with a variety of specialty shops, trendy brands, cafes, and a variety of photo booths. And it's the best place for tourists to experience the aesthetics of Singaporean style of living. Walking around with gelato without rushing will be one of the most stylish and the chillest memories of your trip. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. On a chanté, on a dansé, et on n'a même pas pensé à s'embrasser. Chill Eats City Vibes. got a spot you want me to try next time? Drop it in the comments.